Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to highlight duplicate values in Excel. To start, open the Excel file. Here, select the range where you are going to search for duplicates. After that, click on Conditional Formatting. Then, click on Highlight Cells Rules. Finally, choose the Duplicate Values option. After, in the pop-up window, you can choose the color to use to highlight the duplicates in the values with section. Click OK. You can see that the duplicate values will be highlighted in the Excel sheet. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.